Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be talking about the Nifty 50 support and resistance level for tomorrow's intraday trading, and also I'll be talking about the two stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, which of one I'll be trading for tomorrow's live trading. Okay, so I'll be giving you a lot of information in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. And also if you're new to my channel, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. We provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance. Also, I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the support and resistance level for the Nifty for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, talking about the resistance first, the first resistance is at 18,150. Okay, and the next resistance for Nifty 50 is at 18,265. Okay, so these are the two resistance level for tomorrow. And talking about the support level, so these are the two support level. So the first support level is at 17,972, almost 17,975, and the next support is at 17,865. Okay, so here are the two support levels for tomorrow's Nifty 50. Okay, so here is a support and resistance for the Nifty 50 which you can watch out for tomorrow. And now let's see how the market performed today. So the market performed well today, but it went minus 0.53% down. Okay, beginning at the starting it went a bit up and then it couldn't sustain. So but the market was overall very volatile today. Okay, so this is a today's market what you guys can see. So in the middle of the day also it went up and it couldn't sustain, but at the end of the day it came down. Okay, so market closed at 17,957.40 today. Okay, and the most gained index for today was Nifty Auto with 1.23% up and Nifty Energy with 1.15% up, and the most declining index for today was Nifty Financial Services 1.58% down and Nifty Bank with 1.47% down. So yes, this was the market performance for today. But now let's talk about the two stocks which I have selected for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, keep in mind, note that this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not telling you or advising you to trade on these two stocks, but these are my only views. Okay, and tomorrow in live market I might trade on these two stocks, and you can watch that tomorrow's live trading video and you'll come to know which stock I traded and whether I took buy or sell. Okay, now I'm only telling about the two stocks what I have shortlisted for tomorrow's trading. Okay, and tomorrow once the market open, according to the market, I might buy or short sell this stock. Okay, so the first stock is TechM. So guys, the TechM is at a very good levels now. It's at a good support level, so that's why I'm hoping this stock is at a good support level, and I shall trade on this tomorrow by seeing how the market opens and how the market performs tomorrow. Based on that, I shall buy or short sell. Okay, and next is Indus India Bank. So Indus India Bank, as you guys know, today the Nifty Banking Index closed at the minus 1.50% down something. So almost all the banks we're in a down section today. So even Nifty 50 was also in a down section today, but Indus India Bank is at a good support level now. So I'm just hoping that this stock can also go up, or if it's not going down, I can short sell also tomorrow, but the movement will be there in either of the stocks. Okay, so tomorrow in my live trading I'll be doing either this stock, either I'll trade on TechM or Indus India Bank, so you can watch it tomorrow in my live trade. And if you want to get the more accurate knowledge and want to learn how to make a consistent profit like this in intraday trading, or if you guys want to know whether I'll be buying or selling tomorrow in live market, you can join my course now. In my course I'll be teaching you all this knowledge of selecting the stock and how to pick the stock and how to make consistent profit and 90 to 95% accurate strategies. All these things I'll be guiding you personally, and also the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.